Here are 6 news stories from the world of the cryptocurrency industry. First news. Changpeng Zhao owns 64% of the circulating supply of Binance Coin. According to a joint analysis by Grey Wolf Analytics and Forbes, Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, holds a significant amount of BNB tokens. Reports indicate that Zhao controls about 64% of all BNB in circulation, or 94 million tokens. BNB is the native token of the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, providing discounts on trading fees for its holders. The maximum supply of this digital asset is capped at 200 million tokens, with over 147 million BNB currently in circulation. Since the beginning of the year, the price of the altcoin has more than doubled, nearly reaching $720 this week. Changpeng Zhao has never publicly disclosed the exact number of his BNB holdings. However, documentation from 2017 related to the initial coin offering, ICO, stated that the platform's founders received 80 million tokens. Analysis shows that Binance currently holds 46.2 million BNB. Considering Zhao's 90% stake in Binance, his share is approximately 41.6 million coins. Researchers also suggest that Changpeng Zhao increased his BNB holdings through other means. According to Forbes, the Binance ICO did not raise the required amount. Instead of the claimed 100 million, only 10.8 million tokens were sold. About 58 million BNB were allegedly transferred to Zhao's wallets. Thus, considering his 90% stake, he would control about 52 million tokens. The total number of BNB owned by Zhao, including initial team rewards and unsold tokens, is approximately 94 million. Forbes concluded that Changpeng Zhao's significant assets have placed him at 24th on the list of the world's wealthiest people, with an estimated fortune of $61 billion. Second news. The price of Solana is declining amid lack of investor interest. The price of Solana continues to fall amid growing bearish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Institutional investors, whose actions significantly influence Sol's dynamics, are losing interest in the asset. Investor skepticism towards Solana continues to grow, evident from open interest and fund inflows. According to data from the CoinGlass analytical platform, in the past week, the open interest in Sol futures decreased by more than $500 million, from $2.5 billion to $2 billion. Additionally, institutional investors are diversifying their investments, spreading funds across Ripple, Litecoin, and Chainlink. Although this has not significantly affected Solana's positions with the largest inflows since the beginning of the year, the altcoin's dominant position may be under threat soon. Currently, Sol is trading at around $144 and is likely to continue falling to support at $137. If investor skepticism persists, the altcoin's price could drop to $126. On the other hand, a bounce from $137 and consolidation above $150 would signal the beginning of a recovery. A rise to $170 would not only help recover recent losses but also refute the bearish thesis. Third news. The launch of an ETF on Ethereum is planned for early July. Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas predicts that spot ETFs on Ethereum could start trading as early as next month. Balchunas revised his previous forecast, moving the potential launch date from July 4 to July 2. According to Eric Balchunas, staff at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, made fairly light comments on the S-1 filings. The SEC now requires additional adjustments to these filings, which are expected within a week. We are moving our proposed ETF launch date for Ether to July 2, considering that the staff sent comments on the S-1, and they are fairly light, nothing serious, requiring their return within a week, Balchunas said. Balchunas speculates that the SEC may complete the review of these filings before the long weekend. Anything is possible, but that's our best guess at the moment, he added. ETF Store President Nate Geraci noted that the update makes sense given the minor nature of the SEC's comments. This suggests that the main work is already done and there is no reason for further delay. Such developments imply that spot ETFs on Ethereum could be launched sooner than SEC Chairman Gary Gensler indicated. On June 13, during Senate Appropriations Committee budget hearings, Gensler mentioned that approved instruments would start trading in the summer, but did not specify the timeline. Spot ETFs would allow investors to trade funds that hold the second-largest digital asset by market capitalization. Stakeholders believe this move would boost institutional adoption of Ethereum. However, some critics are confident that Ethereum ETFs will not attract the same demand as Bitcoin ETFs due to the lack of staking. Fourth news. Crypto startups have attracted over $100 billion in venture capital over 10 years. Crypto startups have raised over $100 billion in venture capital since 2014. Bloomberg reports this based on research by the decentralized finance platform DeFi. According to the Block research, the amount raised by crypto startups since 2017 has totaled $95 billion. Investment growth largely coincided with Bitcoin rallies. Pantera Capital's managing partner, Paul Varadatakit, noted that Coinbase significantly contributed to popularizing investments in the crypto industry, with its value reaching $86 billion after listing on Nasdaq in 2021. Fundraising through venture deals and token sales has been the main driver of the crypto industry's growth. However, the agency notes that billions of dollars invested in startups have produced clearly mixed results for investors. Fifth news. 3 top cryptocurrencies have updated their record high prices. In the first half of 2024, only 3 major cryptocurrencies, BTC, BNB, and TON, reached new historical price highs. According to CoinMarketCap data as of June 13, 2024, Bitcoin's price rose to $73,750. Currently, the asset is trading 8.4% below the previous record set on March 14, 2024. The price of Ethereum, despite its popularity, has dropped by 28.3% from its historical high of $4,891 reached on November 16, 2021. Binance Coin showed relative stability and reached a new high of $720, according to data from June 6, 2024. Later, the price fell by 15.6% below the record. Solana's price has dropped by 41.6% compared to its peak of $260 reached on November 7, 2021. Ripple showed the largest decline among leading cryptocurrencies, with its price plunging by 87.3% from its record of $3.84 set on January 4, 2018. The cryptocurrency Cardano also demonstrated significant decline, with its price dropping by 86% from its record high of $3.1 reached on September 2, 2021. The meme token Shiba Inu lost 75.5% in value. Its quotes fell from the peak set on October 28, 2021. Finally, Avalanche completed the list, dropping by 78% from its all-time high of $146.22 reached on November 21, 2021. Experts believe these data well reflect the current market volatility and indicate significant price fluctuations among leading digital assets in the first half of 2024. Sixth news. Turkey plans to introduce a tax on cryptocurrency transactions. Turkey's Ministry of Finance is considering introducing a tax of 0.03% on cryptocurrency transactions. Bloomberg reports this citing its sources. Journalists said that recently, crypto assets have become popular among retail Turkish investors as they seek to hedge against the weakening lira and rising inflation. If such a tax is introduced, the country's budget will be replenished by 3.7 billion lira, about $113 million, annually, Bloomberg noted. The authorities want to carry out one of the largest tax reforms in the last 2 decades. Turkey is trying to fix the budget, which was affected by the earthquakes in 2023, journalists stated. They added that if successful, this would bring an additional 226 billion lira, $7 billion, to the state budget, which is about 0.7% of the gross domestic product. Recall that in February 2024, Turkey began preparing a new package of regulations for the cryptocurrency industry, designed to protect consumers and simultaneously support innovation. In October 2023, local media reported that the country plans to complete the development of cryptocurrency regulations by 2024.